Your Cadillac Optiq comes equipped with the Passive Start feature. With the key fob in your possession, approach your driver door and enter the vehicle. To start, either press the brake pedal or close the driver door. The vehicle will automatically turn on as indicated by the green ready icon on the driver information center screen. To power off your vehicle, simply shift to park and exit. Your vehicle will power down when the door opens. If you have not shifted out of park, your vehicle will remain on. If you wish to manually turn off the vehicle or turn it off while still inside, you can use the Vehicle Off button here in your center display. And finally, if you wish to have your vehicle continue running when you exit, shift to park and press the vehicle clock icon on the app tray. Your vehicle will remain on for 1 hour unless deactivated.